In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to Clickup. This process is quick and straightforward, but crucial for team collaboration and project management. Whether you're setting up a workspace for your team or expanding an existing one, inviting members is a fundamental step in utilizing Clickup to its full potential. To begin, head over to the Clickup website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, simply type Clickup into your preferred search engine and it should be one of the top results. Once there, look to the upper right corner of the home page. You'll see the Login button. Give that a click to move forward. Next, you'll encounter several sign-in options, but for the fastest experience, select Continue with Google. From there, choose the Google account you want to associate with Clickup. This method is user-friendly and helps streamline the login process, particularly if you have multiple accounts linked. Once you're logged into Clickup, it's time to invite new members. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot the Invite button. This is the gateway to bringing new collaborators into your workspace. Clicking it will open the invitation panel. In the Invite panel, you can add the email addresses of the people you want to join, separating each with a comma. Remember to double-check that the emails are correct to ensure your invitations reach the right people. This feature is particularly useful when you need to invite multiple members simultaneously, making your workflow much smoother. After entering the emails, you'll see an option to set their permissions. This step is crucial as it defines the level of access each member will have. You can choose from roles such as admin, member, or viewer. Spend a moment considering what type of access each individual should have to maintain the right balance between collaboration and control. Finally, once you're satisfied with the email entries and permission settings, hit the Send Invite button. This action will dispatch the invites to your selected recipients and notify them to join your Clickup workspace. It might seem simple, but this button is your key to unlocking a more collaborative and efficient project management experience. And there you have it. You've successfully sent out invitations. Each step is designed to ensure that inviting new members is as effortless as possible, allowing you to quickly get back to what matters most, achieving your project goals. Thanks for following along and happy collaborating in Clickup.